Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our lesson Mala Goes to School second session. But before that, let's have a look at the new words and their meanings. Today's new words. Rush. Rush means move with urgent. Listen. Listen means to hear. Secret. Secret means something that only few people know. Shouts, an expression of strong emotion. Now, let's have a quick recap before starts today's session. Mala lives in a small village with her parents. She has one brother called Somu. Mala's parents are farmers. Mala's brother goes to village school. Mala likes to go to school, but she couldn't because she has to fill the pots. Let's start today's session. Every day after filling the pots, Mala rushes to school. By the time she reaches school, only 1 hour of class is left. She sits outside near the window and listens to the teacher. She thought, really it's wonderful. There is so much she doesn't know. She always feels like that. She always feels sad when the bell rings. See how she is watching from the window? She is out of the classroom and she is listening from the outside of the classroom. One afternoon, Mala sits outside of her usual spot. This is her usual spot because this is the classroom. She is sitting outside. Usually she sits here only. Teacher was teaching maths. Usually teacher asks question in between, right? The same way the teacher asked question to the students. Do you know what Mala did? Mala wrote the answer on the pot with the piece of chalk. You see, did you see here? 8 7s are 56. Even the answer is also correct. The all children look at the pot. She is written on it. Once he finished the maths class, the teacher opened his cupboard. Do you know what happened? He saw a snake inside the cupboard. When he opened the cupboard, we can hear cracking sound, right? Even Mala heard the same cracking sound. After that, the teacher shouts like, snake! Shouts the teacher. There was a snake inside the cupboard. Even children also screams too much. Mala ran inside. The teacher was standing on the table. Have you seen? Yes, the teacher was standing on the table. Mala looked inside. It's just old snake. It's not poisonous, said Mala with the teacher. The teacher was asking, Mala, are you sure? Mala said, yes sir, it is not a poisonous. I have seen many snakes like this in the jungle. Dear children, really, Mala is very brave and intelligent girl, right? Don't you? Don't you think so? Yes, she is very intelligent and brave. Even though she was sitting out of the classroom, she was able to solve the math question. That proves her intelligent. When the teacher shouts snake, Mala immediately went inside without fear. This incident shows her bravery. Yes, dear children, we will complete our lesson in the next session. Now, let's look at some grammar part. Today we are going to learn adjectives. Do you know adjectives? What is adjectives? See, I'll give easy tips so that you can remember easily. Okay? Adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. All the opposite words are adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. We will see some examples now. Good. bad, active, lazy, tall, short, cool, hot, beautiful, ugly. These all are adjectives. Have you noticed one thing in this? See here, here we have pointed all the opposite words are adjectives. What is meant by that? Just have a look here. Good, bad. These are opposite words, right? And active, lazy. These two are also opposite words. Tall, short. These also opposite words. Cool, hot. Beautiful, ugly. These two also opposite words. So all the opposite words are adjectives. So this is a good tip to learn adjectives. So hope you understand. I will give you a homework, and these all what I said, adjectives and new words, and what I am going to give the homework, you have to write in one notebook. Upside you have to mention Mala goes to school, and date also we have to write at the top. Today's our homework is list any 4 words that describe your mother. This is very easy homework. You can describe your mother very easily, how she looks. Smart, right? That is also one adjective. Just write mother, here one, here one, here one, here one. Just write 4 adjectives. She is helpful, right? Right. That is also you can write. So any 4 adjectives you have to write. This homework and everything what I said, adjectives and new words, it should be there in the notebook. Please mention the date at the top. Thank you.